Hi, it's Johnny here to tell you about the Eleaf iStick i75 kit with the EN air tank. Now this kit is a perfect option if you want a mod with a large battery capacity, adjustability and great functionality, which is kitted with a mouth to lung tank which has reliable atomiser heads, making it perfect for all day vaping. So let's start with the look and feel of this kit, which is a very traditional box mod and tank design. This popular format has been modernised on the i75 with leather style panels, a solid black metal surround and a metal tank which colour matches perfectly. As soon as you hold this device you can feel the quality straight away, and it fits really well in the palm of the hand. Choose between red, blue or black colour options. Now beyond the design, let's take a look at the features of the battery mod, starting with the capacity. Now it has a 3000 mAh built-in battery, which is a very generous size and can last up to 2 days between charges, depending on your output level. And more good news, it features USB-C charging so you can recharge quickly. The iStick i75 has adjustable wattage up to 75 watts, which is more than enough power to suit the vast majority of atomizer resistances. Wattage is changed using the 2-button system, and your current level as well as remaining battery life is shown on the screen. Now onto the tank, which is the new EN air tank. Now this is designed for a reliable mouth to lung experience and has all the features to make it as user friendly as possible. It has a sliding top fill mechanism and it also has adjustable airflow, which is changed using the ring at the top. As you may have guessed, the atomizer from the EN range. This atomizer head range has grown in popularity thanks to the coil's longevity, strong flavour and great performance with bar salts like volts. Both a 0.8 ohm version and a 1.2 ohm version are included with this kit. The 0.8 ohm coil is ideal if you prefer larger vapour clouds at medium powers, or if you prefer to vape at lower powers, then the 1.2 ohm version will be perfect. So that's the iStick i75 with the EN air tank. A traditional looking box mod with a really high performing mouth to lung tank. Now if you're after a reliable e-cig, perfect for all day vaping, and look no further than this excellent new Eleaf edition.